Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Louis Vuitton Alma bag from Babalabags. So if you are new here, they are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, and they happen to have the collaboration where I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. I know it's with the M, but it's like the early 2000s collection where the bag was white and then it was very colorful. So we're gonna get into it, and I believe I pronounced that right. It's the Alma bag. So this is it. It does come in the Louis Vuitton packaging, and then you get like a little receipt holder. You have like your little packaging. It does come with a dust bag and then the actual bag. So the bag itself is so adorable, so girly. This is perfect for the summertime, so really cute. So with this bag, it does come with a lock on it, and it does have the keys to unlock it. I love the little touch of the bow. I think that's just so dainty and girly. So this is the overall bag. I feel like the quality of it's really nice. So here's the side, the back, and underneath. And then also you can see the LV detail up close on there, and then it's also on here you can see LV. So let's unzip it. So one thing I do like about this bag is you can wear it by the handles, or you can also wear it crossbody. So the straps are included, so you can just attach it on. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But here's the bag, and then it even says it on the inside, the Louis Vuitton X whatever collaboration this is. So it has a little pocket, and then it's plenty of space. I feel like this bag has a really nice amount of space. So this is considered the monogram print. It's just in the style of the white with the colors. So really cute. The bag itself, the construction feels really good. Like, it's very sturdy. It's not a flimsy bag whatsoever. Even like the grain on here feels really nice. It feels like a real Louis Vuitton bag. Like, it feels like how my Speedy does. So the quality of this bag is really amazing. Love that about it. And then, like I said, perfect for the summertime. And I do love that I have the option of wearing it crossbody. So here it is, and then I just loop it on. Take this, loop it to the other side. This collection's been going like viral. They had other styles of this collection on there too. Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to link it. You guys see where this comes around and it's more pointy? You link the straps onto here. Don't link them onto here because these are thicker. So I was putting it on the wrong spot. So I'll go ahead and put this one on this side. Okay. And we have it crossbody. So cute, guys. Can't wait to wear it. Might wear it today. And yeah, very cute. So shout out to Babalabags. I will have all the information linked in the description box below, plus the discount code. Comment what you guys think of this bag down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.